Jordi Llompart is a Spanish-American writer, producer, screenwriter, and director of 7 documentary films. His acclaimed directorial works include The Vinishing Past, Nomads of the Human Condition, Asha, Daughter of Ganges, and Water Stories. He is also a founder of Orbita Max, a production company that makes his movies. In 2009 he won a Maria Honorary Award on Catalan International Film Festival. Biography. His first job was a journalist and news anchor for the Spanish Catalan TV channel, TV3. He wrote a book on science called Human in Stars, in which he described the origins of the universe, species evolution, and future challenges for human beings. Filmography. Actor. 1993, Bon N.A., 1993, La Lowrider. 2005, Mystery of the Nile. 2010, Magic Journey to Africa. Producer. 2005, Mystery of the Nile. 2006, The Nomad Experience. Director. The Vinishing Past. Nomads of the Human Condition. Asha, Daughter of Ganges. Water Stories. 2005, Mystery of the Nile. 2005, Adventure on the Nile. 2006, The Nomad Experience. 2010, Magic Journey to Africa. References. External links. Jordi Llompart on IMDb.